Hi, Lewisdale Lion family. This is Nia, just coming to you quickly to share a video about how to upload your new Lewisdale virtual background. If you're familiar with virtual backgrounds, then you don't have to watch this video. The virtual backgrounds will be emailed to you. But if you're someone that's never done the virtual background, this will be a good resource for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to pgcps-org.zoom.us. This is one of the fastest ways you can go to get to your PG Zoom, or you can go through the staff portal. But I like this one because you can bookmark it and it just goes really fast. Then you want to make sure that you click on this link, which houses the latest versions of Zoom. Once you've downloaded the latest version, you want to go ahead and sign in to your Zoom. You put in your username and password. Once you're signed in, you want to go to the top right corner and host a meeting. And you want to do it with your video on. Okay, once your meeting loads, I already practiced, so it's already there. So that's the preview of one of the options, and there is another option with a real lion, not the cartoon. So you want to go here to where it says stop video, and there's this little caret right here, and you want to click choose virtual background. And you want to go to the plus sign and add image. Now, you should already actually have it downloaded from your email. Sorry, I forgot that step. So you want to have it downloaded, and oftentimes they're in the downloads. So you click on the image. Sometimes people put it on their desktop, so it's found easier. And you click open. And then once you click open, it will be selected, and you can just simply red X out of there. And then there's your background. I have a cover for my camera, or you would see my face as well, but I wanted to just focus on the actual background. So I look forward to seeing everyone's virtual backgrounds and seeing you on Zoom. Have a great day.